everybody, today I'm going to show you how to put the backing on the placemat that I showed you how to make in a prior video. I will link that in the description below. So we're going to take our backing and we're going to take our top and place them right sides together, making sure that I have some wiggle room on all sides. Lay your batting down. Get it all smoothed out. Now we're going to be doing what you call the flip method, which I'm not going to bind this like a regular quilt. I'm going to stitch all the way around it. I'm going to leave a turn hole and we're going to flip it right side out. So once we have it mostly centered on here, just make sure that you have backing and you have batting larger than your top on all four sides. And then we're just going to pin it. Put a couple of pins in the sides right here too. Now I'm going to put my hand here because this is where I'm going to, the hole I'm going to use to flip the placemat when we're done. I'm going to put a pin in for my starting point. And I'm going to put a pin over here for my stopping point. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to back tack or back stitch. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I'm going to stitch all the way down. We're going to pivot at all the corners, coming all the way around. We're going to back stitch or back tack, and then I'll meet you back over here. See you in just a minute. Okay, so we've stitched all the way around. We've left a hole here to turn it with. But first, I'm going to do some trimming. And I'm going to trim this excess off. Just be careful not to cut your stitches. Okay, so we've got it all trimmed. Now I'm going to take, hold on. Now we're going to clip our corners. Again, careful not to clip your stitches. All right, I'm going to put my hand all the way in, grab this far corner, and just pull. I use my fingers, my fingernails to just poke those edges, poke those corners out. You can kind of wiggle them too. Just going to use my hand to kind of go down. All right, now, so if you can see, this right here already starts to fold in. So I'm just gonna go ahead, we're just gonna fold it. You can almost kind of pinch it, and it will roll. In, fold in, and I'm just gonna pin. Fold, fold, and pin. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and I'm going to stitch this closed. We're going to be using roughly 1/8 of an inch. It's going to be as close to the edge as I can possibly get it and actually catch the top and the bottom. All right, everybody, there we have it. I did a little stitch in the ditch. Just followed the outline. Give it a good press, and it is ready to use. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.